As my roommate said last night, I'm broke in USD, not in OMB. Hi everyone, and in today's video we're going to see what can I get up to during the biggest winter snowstorm of the year. So, even though 2026 just started, it's still the winter storm season in Boston. If you guys are watching the news at all this weekend, from Texas to New England, the whole area in between is getting a huge winter snowstorm. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Boston specifically is not gonna get snow until Sunday, but we'll see if it lingers into Monday. If it does, I may not have school, but we'll see. And because of this, I thought I would vlog and do everything and show you guys everything I do during a winter snowstorm in Boston. So, update from our school. We don't have school tomorrow. It's going to be a virtual learning day. And my roommate's behind me. But that means I don't have to go physically to class, but I do have them online, which is fun because I'm going to have derivatives with the professor at 9 a.m. Okay. Anyways, that's my update. Also, snowing a lot harder. I'll insert photos, but it's snowing a lot harder. And now me and my roommate are sitting in my room because I moved my desk and watching cars drive so slow on the freeway or on the bridge.
The bus. Everything is driving really, really slow.
So today is day 3 and I just woke up and it's 8 o'clock and I have class at 9. There's literally like no snow right now, but apparently it's gonna start back up again at like 3 o'clock. Woohoo, there's 5 of us and class is about to start in a minute. This is what happens when you have a small class. The reason why it's smaller because it's financial derivatives, which is a 400 class, which means it's harder than any of the other financial classes. Because it's a 400 level class. So it's like a 4th year, technically. First class done. Now I'm gonna go figure out what to eat. I don't know, maybe wait for like 5 minutes. So I just ate and I made noodles again like yesterday. And now I have 2 hours before my meeting, so I'm gonna see if I can get my certification done. That's due tonight for this for the class I just took, my derivatives class. And yeah, we're gonna see if I can get that done right now in the next 2 hours. As my roommate said last night, I'm broke in USD, not in OMB.
It's so cute.
Why do I feel like this is longer than Sissy's?
It's so cute. No, it's the same thing.
Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's like weighted. Like, there's some weight to it.
Its head is just stuff. Oh, the book one's cute. I'm kind of like that one. Then I can put in my book.
And it is Albing. This is the
Cuddly Albing.
yeah.
Which is cute. Which I
This
think
is the
fits you.
cuddly Albing. I want the not the naughty Najal. It matches this Albing. It's so cute. Wait. Never mind.
Ta-da! Oh, it's so
Cute. And then you have. I won't at that time when it's way smaller. So it's one of watching today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.